Hello everyone, I'm John from Neurocoms. In this video, I would like to explain how to use the multi-model recognition function of the Deep Runner AI set-top box. The Deep Runner Z1, used in this demonstration, is a palm-sized small AI set-top box that can be used to implement various AI services. When recognizing objects, you may encounter many limitations if only one deep learning model is used. For example, consider a signage billboard system with a built-in camera that identifies the customer's characteristics for customized advertisements. Using an object detection algorithm, it would be possible to recognize a person's gender or age, but it would not be easy to recognize the person's gender, age, and facial expression, all at the same time, just using only a single deep learning model. A problem like this might be solved using multiple deep learning models. For example, you might be able to recognize them in the following order. Firstly, a face detection model identifies the location of the person's face. Next, from the face image found in the previous step, the age of the person is identified with an age classification model. Then, using the same face image, the gender classification model classifies the person's gender. Finally, using the same face image, the facial expression classification model recognizes the person's facial expression. In order to recognize in this way, a system that uses multiple deep learning models has to be developed. Depending on the deep learning platform, it may not be easy to switch models, and at least a lot of time and development costs may be taken for the development. To meet this demand, Deep Runner provides a multi-model recognition function that enables users to implement complex recognition scenarios using multiple deep learning models. It is possible only with a few mouse clicks, without having to painfully develop the system. For example, to implement the signage application scenario described before, the user can train face detection, age classification, gender classification, and facial expression recognition models separately, and then can simply connect these models on the Deep Runner control panel. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to connect the models using Deep Runner's user interface. For the signage scenario, face detection, gender and age classification, and facial expression classification models are required. Fortunately, those models are provided by default with Deep Runner. As the first step, run the face detection model by double-clicking face.det.set file from the control panel. As you can see, the location of the face is recognized when a person appears in front of the camera. Age and gender classifications are implemented as a single classification model. You can try it by double-clicking age.gender.set on the control panel. As you can see, age and gender are recognized at the same time. Because it is a classification model, it recognizes correctly only when the face is in the middle of the screen. The facial expression model in Deep Runner is a classification model. You can test it by double-clicking the facial expression.set file in the model setting list on the control panel. This model supports 7 facial expressions including happy, sad, fear, etc. I'll show you how to connect those models to recognize age, gender, facial expression from free moving faces on the camera. The face detection model becomes the base model because it finds the human face first. Therefore, we will set up this base model and then connect other models. Click Add button on the right side of the model settings file. Type the title in the Add setting window to Multi-Model Demo. Type Multi-Model Demo in the file name field and select Face Recognition and Base Model. Leave the rest of the fields at their default values. Click the Set button to exit. Now base model setup is complete. Next, we will connect the age gender recognition model. In the model setting list of the control panel, click the edit icon of the multi-model demo.set line set earlier. When the edit setting window opens, click the advanced button. In the connecting model setting window, enter the following code in the connecting model edit window. This code indicates that if a face is found in the result of the face detection model, run the age gender model by enlarging the face area to 120%. Click the set button to finish the setting. Test it by pointing your face to the camera. As you can see, the face automatically recognizes the age and gender. Next, we will connect the facial expression classification model. In the model setting list of the control panel, click the edit icon of the multi-model demo line that we set earlier. When the edit setting window opens, click the advanced button. In the connecting model setting window, enter the following code in the connecting model edit window. This line states that if a face is found from the face detection model, run the facial expression model by magnifying the face part. Press the set button to finish setting and show your face to the camera to recognize it. When a face appears, you can see that the age, gender, and expression are automatically recognized at the same time. If the user application receives these recognition results in real time, various services such as customized advertisements and interactive kiosks can be easily implemented. In this video, a face recognition example of multi-model recognition was shown as a demo, but it can also be used for various purposes other than face recognition. For example, the type of shoes can be recognized from a person's outfit. The number of the vehicle can be recognized. Or the serial number of the product tag can be analyzed. Thank you for watching.